Okay, as far as I am concerned, our so-called relationship has come to an end. Adios, Fini. Kaput. Oh, stupid, stupid, stupid. Jake's not going to come up here. No, he's going to stay down there at the Cove and body surf with Charlotte's body.
Bless you.
Jake, hi.
Well, I think it would be a crime if we didn't take advantage of the situation.
Oh, I'm gonna go get you something for this cold.
No. I know exactly what I need.
I don't know about you, but I've been fantasizing about this for a very, very long time.
Me too. Sorry.
Do you want another blanket, you warm?
No, if anything, I'm too warm.
What you mean? I'm gonna be disappointed.
Well, I finally have you here, all to myself, alone, and I just...
You've got a nasty cold.
No. Don't say that. Do not say cold. I'm not cold. Just hold me.
My pleasure.
Oh, this is so nice. And I am definitely getting hot.
Take it easy, sweetheart.
Yeah.
You know what? I thought so.
You thought what?
Mm-hmm. It's not me that's making you hot. You have a fever.
No.
Hey.
How'd it go?
Bathroom, and he chased a couple of squirrels and a Porsche.
Yeah. Well, hey, consider Wilson your first customer. Thank you. Bless you.
I hope Dr. Keenan comes up with something.
Oh, excuse me. Are you okay? Yeah, it's just, I've been like sneezing ever since I left Wilson at Kelly's.
Whoa. Who's Wilson?
This dog that I was walking for this service that I might work for. Padilla.
You want to be a dog walker?
No, I was thinking like of running this pet store or something.
Bless you. What are you doing?
I gotta call the service and tell them that I'm allergic to my new job.
Well, let's just go to your place.
We can't. It's being painted. And you're obviously very susceptible, so I think paint fumes are not... Bless you.
Thank you.
I think, you know what, I think we should just go eat. Let's go eat.
Tissue? Do you have tissue?
Tissue. It's for a couple of weeks, tops. It's just a cash flow problem. Bless you. And it has nothing to do with Katie.
Well, where does she live?
Honest with you. Hey, don't cry.
I can't help it.
Oh, no, I'm okay.
I'm not.
What's wrong?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's, you know, an airplane cold or maybe my allergies.
Oh, yeah.
Bless you. If you're sick, stay away from me. Is that flu that's going around?
I think I must have taken about 5,000 milligrams of vitamin C and it didn't do a thing.
What's with the apples? Hoping to keep the doctor away?
They're for Scott. It's the least I could do, considering that he's in jail because of me.
Oh, Eve, bless you.
Oh, thanks. Hi, Lucy.
Wow, I guess you're here to see Scott, obviously.
Yes, obviously.
Well, I did, too. I can't wait till he gets out of here. I hate thinking of him in the same building with Julie.
Well, actually, Julie's in solitary confinement. It's me! Open up!
Just a minute.
What are you doing in here, Ramsey? Building yourself a new girlfriend? Where are the body parts?
In your Chinese food. Can't a brilliant young researcher get a little privacy around here?
No. I need some company.
Why? You should be home in bed. You're sick.
I know. I just wish this killer bug would live up to its name and kill me. Oh, good. Come on. Let's go.
Hey, well, tell you what. Why don't you bring me back something good, okay? I'm kind of in the middle of an experiment.
Oops. You have some nerve, Ramsey.
I was beginning to think I would never see you again. And I was never really afraid of those guys, but the one thing I was afraid of was that if they did hurt me and I never saw you again, I would never get a chance to tell you what you really mean to me. I can't think of anything else.
Are you sure? You've covered everything.
Can we hurry this up, officer? This beautiful woman and I have a wedding to get to.
I'm afraid that your social life is just going to have to wait.
This isn't about social life. This is our destiny.
And this is my job.
Now, look, I want these creeps who snatched Frankie to pay for it, too.
Yeah.
Yes. Is the bride and groom here?
Yeah. This is the bride. I'm the groom.
Yeah, well, that makes sense.
Hey.
What do you want with us?
Well, I'm to escort you back to Bay City for your wedding. Tonight.
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 Well, let's get this show on the road.
Ready? Hey, guys. Oh, bless you, honey. You gonna be all right?
I'll be fine.
Yeah?